The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Hancock County in central Indiana, central Marion County in central Indiana, southeastern Hamilton County in central Indiana, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Indianapolis, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for downtown Indianapolis and points north and northeast. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Indianapolis, Carmel, Fishers, Noblesville, Lawrence, Beech Grove, Speedway, Cumberland, McCordsville, Fordville, Meridian Hills, Warren Park, Claremont, Rocky Ripple, Williams Creek, Windale, Spring Hill, Crow's Nest, North Crow's Nest, and Castleton. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hancock, Marion, and Hamilton.